My affirmations: I am strong. I am determination. I am knowledge. I am passion. I am adventurous. I am a speaker. I move people. I inspire people. I am enough. I'm sunny. I am a go-giver. I am successful. I have everything I need. I am love. I am powerful. I am lucky. I am happy. I am a leader. I am a speaker. I am a success. I am committed. I am adventure. I am passion. I am perfect with all my imperfections. I am fulfilled. I am knowledgeable. I am joy. I am blessed. I am creative. I am compassionate. I am resourceful. When I speak, I touch souls. I inspire people. I am a magnet to attract phenomenal things in my life. I change lives. I am life. I am resourceful. I have amazing people in my life. I am love. I am peace. I am wealthy. I have perfect health. I always win because I am always happy. I am committed. I am happy. I am passion. I am perfect. I am joy. I am compassionate. I am resourceful. I am at ease with all the things happening in my life. I'm ready for any challenge. I focus on good in any given situation. I am aware of my mistakes and I learn from them. I am at ease with all uncontrollable things happening in my life. I feel admiration for everything surrounding me. I am calm and relaxed in any circumstances. I am creator of my own life. I build its foundation and I chose its content. I am filled with energy and I exude happiness. I am far superior to negative thoughts and low actions. I am blessed with infinite talents and I use them every single day. I peacefully detached myself from negative people. I am inspired by new and great ideas. I am content with my accomplishments. I am brave and I am kind. I am a warrior. I am a positive person and my life is filled with prosperity. I am admired and many people acknowledge my results. Compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. I am blessed with health and motivation. I am at peace with everything that happened to me. Everything has happened in my life. There is a purpose. I'm a wonderful human being. I am proud of everything I have accomplished so far. I feel good in my own skin. All the universe's beauty lies within me. Yes, I trust myself to create an amazing life. I am ambitious. I am fearless and I take risks. I accept new experiences. I love new experiences. I like difficult situations because that helps me grow. I am curious. I am a learner. I'm a sponge to soak knowledge. I'm grateful for everything happening in my life. I'm always happy around other people. I am surrounded with positive people in my life. I profoundly love myself. I am able to achieve great things in my life. I'm comfortable being alone in my own company. My inner voice is always positive in any given situation. I can do everything I set my mind to. I completely trust myself. I am positive. I am in control of every single aspect in my life. I am a hard worker. I am determination. I am determined to do amazing things in my life. I am enough. I am successful. I am sunny. I am productive. I motivate people, and I am extremely hardworking. I create my own success. I define my success. I have abundance in my life. I always follow through my plans. I am worthy of abundance in everything I do. I wisely react to any challenge coming in my way. I believe in the power of positive thinking. I am a creator. I am important. I am respected. I am filled with energy and determination. I am aware of my values and I never let anyone brings me down. I can do everything I want to do. I am successful in all my actions. I am responsible for my own life. I define success. I decide what is success to me. I am worthy to be loved and respected by a wonderful partner. I attract long-lasting friendship in my life. I attract phenomenal friends and people in my life. My mind can make wishes come true. I am humble and always ready to learn. I forgive myself for mistakes that I have made. I react with love in every single situation. I am in control with everything that I think and do. I face any challenges with courage and I focus on the present. I am loved. My life is abundant with wealth, health, and happiness. I accept everyone around me. I don't judge anyone. I am a miracle. I am powerful. I am limitless. I have limitless energy. I have limitless potential. I am lovingly taking care of my temple, which is my body. I love my life. I have perfect health. I always win because I am happy. I am God's favorite child. I enjoy every process towards making my dreams come true. I am a dreamer, but I execute on all my dreams. I am kind and courageous. I heal myself from the frustration and anxiety. The past is gone and I only focus on present. My personality exudes confidence. I am bold and outgoing. I am well groomed and full of confidence. My outer self is matched by my inner well-being. I have integrity. I am totally reliable. I do what I say. I am surrounded by people who encourage and support healthy choices. I am in harmony with the night and the sleep that comes with it. I am in harmony with the universe. I love people. I love my family. My family loves me. My friend loves me. I am safe. I am calm and peaceful. All my deeds and thoughts are filled with love and kindness. I am organized. I am disciplined. I bravely entered this world filled with infinite possibilities, and happiness comes with it. I am receptive to all the wealth life has to offer. I am the master of my existence. I am able to handle massive success with grace. I have faith in my potential. My world is filled with beauty and wealth. I am an amazing human being. I am a positive person with positive feeling for myself and for others. I am vibrating with energy and love. I have the power to create a beautiful life. I am aware that mistakes are lessons, and I learn from each one. I am determined to put in all my efforts towards reaching my aims. I reach out to everybody with love, and I know in exchange I will receive same. I chose to free myself from all fears and destructive doubts. I am open to love and happiness. I overcome any obstacle with ease and awareness. My life becomes greater and greater with each day that passes. I am worthy of everything that is good. I am a unique blend of love and power. I am healthy and energized. The universe loves me, supports me, and brings only positive experiences in my life. I am encouraged of any success that I achieve. I am constantly learning from my mistakes. Everything that I need comes to me effortlessly at the right time and moment. I am happy with my age. I am enough for this moment I am in right now. All my relationships are in harmony as my whole body is filled with appreciation and gratitude. I am beautiful on both the inside and outside. I am aware of my faults and I chose to accept myself exactly as I am. I am talented and special. I am positive in everything that I do. I accept my uniqueness. That is no competition because we are all different, and this is how it should be. I am not competing with anyone. I am a special person. I love myself and everything as well in my life. Everything that happens in my life will only show beauty and goodness. I have a grateful heart that keeps attracting all the things that I deeply desire. The world is a wonderful place to be, and I enjoy my enthusiastic journey on this planet. I am creative and innovative human being. I am happy with the process of reaching my goals. I am patient in every activity that I do. My body is healthy. My mind is brilliant. My soul is at peace. I'm connected to this universe. I have infinite energy. This universe provides me everything I need to grow and achieve whatever I want in my life. I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. I am talented and I use this gift every single day. I forgive those who have hurt me and I peacefully detached from them. I am a loving human being. I am guided in everything I do by courage, love, and kindness. I am brave. Creative energy surges through me and leads me to new and brilliant ideas. I am creator of my own reality. I'm completely open to any change in my life. I am love, light, and happiness. My future is bright. I take care of everything that I own my mind, my body, my spirit, my feelings, health, vitality, and happiness are constantly surrounding me. I'm completely aware of my feelings, no matter the circumstances. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to be respected. I deserve to live a happy life. I have an infinite potential to succeed in my life. I am courageous and I stand up for myself and other people around me. And my life is plentiful with prosperity. Everything that is happening now in my life is happening for my ultimate good. I am powerhouse. I am indestructible. My future is ideal projection of what I envision now. I am confident that every bad thing will pass and leave me with a valuable lesson and a phenomenal future. I am a peaceful and calm being. I am conquering my illnesses. My obstacles are moving out of my way. My path is carved with greatness. People look up to me and acknowledge my worth. I am blessed with incredible family and wonderful friends. I acknowledge my own self-worth. I am powerful and heart, and I have clarity in my mind. I am at peace with everything coming into my life. My nature is divine. I am my spiritual being. My life is just beginning. Life loves me. I am excellent in everything that I do. I use my full potential and I attract only good results. My thoughts are only thoughts, and thoughts can be changed. I am in the process of positive change. I am comfortable looking in the mirror and saying, I love you. I really love you. I forgive myself and set myself free. As I say yes to life, life says yes to me. I'm able to go beyond my fears and limitations. I am divinely guided and protected at all times. I claim my power and move beyond all limitations. I trust the process of life. I'm deeply fulfilled by all that I do, and I forgive myself. It becomes easier to forgive others. I am willing to let go deep at the center of my being in an infinite well of love. I prosper whenever I turn. I am a miracle, and life is the same. Whatever I need to know, reveal to me at exactly the right time. I am loved. I am at peace. I am happy. My body is in alignment with what I feel and think. I am an inspiration to others. I am an inspiration to myself. I work hard and I focus on what I have to do. My day begins and ends with gratitude. I accept my past. I get over it. Only good can come to me. I am beautiful. Everyone I encounter today has my best interest at their heart. I devote a portion of my time to helping others. It is good for my own health. I am greeted by love wherever I go. I am pain-free and totally in sync with life. I am in perfect health. I am very thankful for all the love in my life. I find it everywhere. I know that old negative patterns no longer limits me. I let go with ease. I am perfect just the way I am. I trust my intuition. I always listen to my body. I'm willing to ask for help when I need it. I forgive myself for being not perfect. I honor who I am, involved only in healthy relationship. I'm always treated well. I don't have to prove myself to anyone. I come from loving space of my heart, and I know that love opens all doors. I'm in harmony with nature. Perfect health is my divine right, and I claim it for now, or I claim it now. I am on an ever-changing journey. I am on ever-growing journey. Love flows through my entire body and releases any disease affecting it. My income is constantly increasing. My healing is already in process. I now live in limitless love, light, and joy.